How to use tags, custom fields, and custom values to segment and store contacts info in Zapify.io. So open a contact and type a tag name in the tag fields to label them. So example, open na to si De La Cruz. Then click nyo na sign and check ang VIP client. Automatic na siya ma-save. Refresh. So here, makita na to sa tags na set na siya as VIP client. Next, go to settings. Then, pangitaan mo to ang custom fields. To create fields like service interested in or referral source. So, add field, single line, and next. So, diri ang field name na to is, for example, service interested in. Save mo to just contact then. So, contact then save. So, diri makita na to na na-add siya sa custom field. Next, go to settings and click ang custom values to store and usable info like your business phone or offer name that can be used across automation.